Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter H. To write uppercase H or big H, start at the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and make another line down. Next, go to the middle and make a line across. Let's try it again. Down, down, across. That's the letter H. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase h or small h. Start at the top and make a line down. Next, go up and around to the middle. Then back down to the bottom. Let's try it again. Down, up, around and down. Excellent. Now check if you did it right. Well done. Now you know how to write the letter H. Next, let's see what words start with the letter H. H for hat. H for house. H for hen. Say it again with me. Hat, house, hen. Good job. For our next video on how to write the letter I, subscribe to EllieFun.